Hey besties, and welcome back. It's your girl Marquita with Marquita LV Luxury. On today, I am going to speak on one handbag, and that handbag is a reverse monogram handbag that's launching in April. Well, actually April the 12th. But before we get started, make sure you view my past videos, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend how much fun we have over here. Don't forget to visit your girl on Instagram at Marquita LV Luxury. Now that we have that out the way, you guys know exactly what to do. Go grab some wine or some tea and a light snack. Hurry back so we can get started.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
Okay besties, I know I said I'm going to speak on one handbag, but before we move on to that handbag, I have to speak on this and give you guys some details, okay? This is the on-the-go tote BB. We now have better pictures. Shout out to info.lv. I keep telling you guys to follow him on Instagram. I absolutely love and adore him. Hi, Info. Okay, so here is the handbag. I am going to go over the measurements, and I am here to tell you this is going to be very small. Okay, here is the handbag. The length is going to be 7 inches, guys. The length of this handbag is going to be 7 inches. Oh my gosh. The height 5.9 inches, and the width, guys, the width of the handbag is 3.1 inches. Guys, the handbag is going to be small, and it is not worth that $3,000 price. I am hoping, just like they did, guys. You know how they go and they change the prices when they know they messed up. Guys, this better not be a $3,000. It can't be. They have to make some changes on this. I just cannot see this little small handbag being $3,000, okay? And let's go over the product code number just in case you guys want to go and purchase. I wouldn't recommend, but the product code number is M46933, and the launch date is March 29th, 2024. Okay, so pre-orders are not open, but I want to tell you this, guys. I just can't see this being $3,000. I don't. I can't see it being $3,000. Okay, so I'm hoping that there's going to be some changes, but if you're interested, if you feel as if this is too big for you, I think you are going to retract on that statement once you see how small this BB handbag is. Unless you just love carrying small handbags, have a small crossbody, then maybe it'll work for you. But I am also here to tell you, I cannot show you yet. I cannot show you because I want to make sure it's not going to be canceled. As of right now, it has a SKU number. There is going to be a reverse monogram on the go tote BB. Remember when I told you it's the year of reverse monogram, but they are giving us small handbags. But I am going to show you something else. But guys, a reverse monogram is being produced. Not sure if it's going to be passed to influencers or if this is going to make it past the production stage. But as of right now, it has a SKU number. With LV, that doesn't mean anything. So again, a reverse monogram handbag in the on-the-go tote BB. Don't know if it is going to pass production or if it has already been canceled. Because usually, guys, since the on-the-go tote BB is announced, we will at least have some info to say, okay, the reverse monogram has the go, has the green light. It's okay, it's coming. But as of right now, we don't have that. Right now, just a SKU number, picture, but it's not to show yet because I don't want to show anything and it's a cancellation, okay? So just give me some time. But as of right now, it has a SKU number. reverse monogram. Okay, so moving on. This handbag is a reverse monogram handbag. The name of the handbag is On The Go Tote Voyage handbag. Look at this handbag. Why? I am going to ask why, because we have so many. Honestly, we have so many. We have the On The Go Tote MM. We have the On The Go Tote GM. We have the East West reverse monogram. Okay? We have an On The Go Tote PM in reverse monogram. If it passes production, we are going to have a BB. They should have passed and made either a mini bum bag. They could have made an original size reverse monogram bum bag. They could have gave us a never full. We could have received an Armor BB, a Speedy 25 bandolier with extended zipper. We could have received anything else reverse monogram. But why this? Why this? Okay, so let's go into details because you guys are most definitely going to trip on the price. Okay, so here it is, guys. Yes, I have my phone. I didn't write it down. I wanted to make sure, like, I'm reading this for certain and I'm seeing what I'm seeing. Okay, so the name, I told you guys, On The Go Voyage, okay? And I have my, I had to bring this out. This is one of my favorite handbags. I'm just an On The Go tote lover. I told you guys I would have rather got the GM size, but hey, I'm just happy I got an On The Go tote reverse monogram in my collection. But I think the GM size is more bossy. But this right here, this is huge. Okay, so let's go over it. So it's double handle. You guys can see that. It states the strap is removable and adjustable, guys. So the strap, I'm guessing inside. I don't have pictures of that. It is going to be removable and adjustable. I think all On The Go totes should have that option, because holding like this handbag, this large handbag, especially the Umpra leather, I mean, it just digs into my shoulders. These straps are too thin for this handbag, okay? This type of handbag. Okay, it says that the strap drop 9.8 inches. This is going to be a huge handbag. The strap drops 9.8 inches. The On The Go tote BB, you see how it was only, what, 7 inches? That's crazy. Okay. When you adjust it, the strap drop, once you adjust it, guys, is 12.8 inches. This is going to be a huge bag, guys. This is just a strap. It has a hook closure, the same. Okay, we have a hook closure inside. The same exact thing. Inside is 3 compartments. Inside of the On The Go tote, let me show you. Okay, we have the side zipper, and then we have the 2 compartments here. We have 3 compartments as well. It says 1 large zipped interior pocket, which is the same. 1 small flat interior pocket, and 1 large flat interior pocket. So we have a small interior pocket and we have a large interior pocket. Inside is both the same size, guys, here. So we have the same 3 compartments as well. It also has 1 large flat interior pocket. I'm not sure. This is it. This is it. So I'm not sure. They're giving us 1 large flat interior pocket. So I'm guessing on the opposite side is going to be another large pocket. That's what I'm getting from this. It fits an iPhone 14 Pro Max. Okay. This is an iPhone 14 Pro Max. This is it. Let me see if it can fit inside the pocket. I've never even tried it, so let me see. And I have a case on. It fits in. So LV, come on. What are you giving us? What else are you giving us? This bag could have been used, not this bag, but the Voyage. You're not giving me anything except for the detachable and adjustable straps. What else? I mean, I don't get it. So, it fits an iPhone 14 Pro Max. Okay, it fits keys, a zippy wallet. Now this, a MacBook Pro 15. I am going to tell you now, I would not want to carry around in and on the go tote. To me, they are heavy. Some of you guys can do it. I can't do it. I feel like these handbags are absolutely too heavy. I would not use an on the go tote as a traveling item. I'm sorry, I tried it. The black on the go tote in the GM size, guys, it tore my shoulders up. But if you have strong shoulders, Tina Turner shoulders, it'll work for you. Get on the plane and it works. Turn this into a traveling piece, because that's what it is, okay? Let's move forward. And rest in peace, Tina Turner. I love her. Okay, and then now, guys, look. It has a separate pouch which fits an iPhone 14 Pro Max. So we are getting a pouch. So just like the Neverfull comes with a pouch, a pochette, we are getting a pouch now in the on-the-go Voyage. This is honestly meant to me for a traveling piece, okay? And here it is. The separate pouch fits an iPhone 14 Pro Max, a passport, and the Rosalie coin purse. Now, listen to this. I have the dimensions, okay? The length is 16.5 inches. The length. The height is 13 inches, okay? And the width is 7.3 inches. So what I am going to do now, guys, keep the dimensions in mind. What I want to do, I want to go and look at it on the go tote GM, because it doesn't seem as if it's that much of a difference. I think it's them adding that separate pouch, okay? First of all, before I go and get the on the go tote GM measurements, product code number M46823. And do you see that price? So what we're going to do is convert, okay? We are going to convert. Let's see. Guys, that is over $4,000 for this bag. Go and convert it yourself. It's over $4,000 for this bag, the on-the-go tote Voyage. So let's go and let's look up the GM size. I don't have a GM. Like I said, I want it so bad, but I don't have the GM. So we are going to look up the GM and we are going to get the measurements for the GM to see if it's worth it. Now, guys, I'm a person, I love pochettes. You can get me with a pochette. I'm a mini pochette ride or die fan. Not die. I'll ride, but I won't die. No, I'm not dying for anything luxury, okay? But I'm a ride. I love mini pochettes. Handbags that come with pochettes, I absolutely love. I ride for those as well. So we are going to see about the on the go, okay, guys? And I'm on here. I love doing this with you guys. I didn't write this down. I'm just curious. This wasn't going to be a part of the video, but I'm curious. I want to see the on the go tote in a GM. Okay, so as of right now, the on-the-go tote GM is $3,250. So with this handbag, the Voyage being at $4,000, it was basically $4,100. With tax, it's going to be about $4,300, $4,400. Okay, guys? Just depends on where you are located. This also, it comes with a strap, a GM. If you have a GM, you know it comes with a strap. It's not detachable. So on this new handbag, the strap is going to be detachable and also adjustable. I am hoping that they give reverse monogram straps. I mean, it have to, this price, it has to justify the price. But the pochette inside as well, guys, that is a bonus, okay? So we have $3,250 for the on-the-go tote. Now what we're going to do is go and look at the measurements, okay? Product details. Okay, so let's compare. We have the length at 16.1. It's very close, guys. The length 16.1 inches, okay? The height, 13.4 inches. And then we have the width at 7.5 inches. Guys, it's not too far off. It's not too far off. So, ooh, I don't know. Because yeah, it's not too far off. So the only thing they really did, guys, was give us some detachable adjustable straps. And we complained about these straps. I complain. So guys, it's basically a GM size with detachable adjustable straps and a reverse monogram pochette. The exact same, you guys see. It's the exact same handbag. Basically just a GM size. I want you guys to let me know how you feel. I gave you the product code number. I gave you the launch. So my thing is, and I'm smiling because I am a huge fan of the on-the-go tote GM. But if I would go and purchase the GM, I would get this. I don't like the price. No, I don't. I don't like the price at all. But if I'm going to go in and go hard and want the full thing, the full experience of me paying $4,300, and if I do want a reverse monogram pochette, guys, none of our handbags in reverse monogram comes with the pochette, comes with the pouch that holds our phone. Guys, it basically said it holds a Rosalie coin purse, it holds the passport, and it also holds an iPhone 14 Pro Max. This is an iPhone 14 Pro Max. And the case is from Amazon if you guys ask, okay? So, tell me what you think. Tell me what you think. I am sold because of the reverse monogram straps. And I'm not going to say reverse monogram straps because I'm hoping that, okay? But detachable, adjustable, and the pochette. What would you do? Would you just go ahead and purchase the GM? Or would you wait on this? Okay, guys, I will see you in the comments. Okay, guys, see you in the comments. As always, stay safe, stay blessed. Until next video, and don't forget, boss bagging season. Bye, guys.